dogs pretty well? Young man?
Within the system, I know that.
Not well enough for this.
All right. That's all right. Because it's all for fun. I can usually tell a dog. Oh, good. That's a start. Very good. Excellent. All right. Well, let's work it through. I'm Scott.
David.
David, come on. Watch your step. Lots of junk around here. All right. Now, 3 of those are dogs.
Okay.
And 1 is not. You want to take a guess? Lacto Hund?
Yeah,
Probably
I
not.
recognize that.
Good. Spinoni Italiano? Might be a dessert treat, yeah. Nibelung?
Maybe.
Rock de Bourbonnais? You speak French?
I'm taking French.
Choc? Recognize that? Okay.
It's something of, that's an area of France.
That is, yeah.
Yeah. So it's something of,
Okay. So you want to take a wild guess?
I'd probably say one of these 2.
That's right, Nibelung. Yeah, not a hunting dog. Congratulations. Give me a good hand. Some extra credit. Anybody know what Nibelung is?
It's something in opera.
Yep, there is. There's a three opera cycle by Richard Wagner about the ring. They're, depending on who you talk to, they're dwarfs, and they're treasure hoarders, and they're mythical figures, and some other way. So are dogs, yeah. Here are a few observations I made. Take them or leave them. I learned long ago that most of the time, dogs are going to find birds faster than we are. Just trust your dog. And if you're hunting with somebody else and their dog, if your dog was any better, we'd be hunting with him, so just shut up. Dogs have no faults. You're the best. We have lots of
Can you
faults.
cancel it? If you ran with them,
Every time we say, the birds are up there, the birds are down there. Follow your dog. Like I said, trust the hunter as long as knows. We're going to talk about shooting because all of us deserve to be better shooters. If for no other reason than the one I put on the questionnaire when I took a lesson many years ago. The instructor asked, well, why do you want to learn to shoot better? I said, to keep the dogs happy. Because remember, what are we trying to do? We're trying to put more of these on the ground because they're the most exciting, most rewarding thing a dog gets out of a hunt. Sorry, buddy. And now you can't see it. So the whole point is to put birds on the ground. And finally. Anybody here remember a Pheasants Forever? Quail on the Moon? Ducks on the Moon? Mule Deer Foundation?
Rough Grouse Society.
Or Rough Grouse Society? North American Grouse Partnership? Join a group, get a great magazine, do some good. Remember, nobody else is helping. The PETA folks don't help. The mountain bikers, the bird watchers, they're not helping. Just the opposite. Treat your dog right. Without a dog, what's the point in hunting? Remember that all those other folks I just referred to are watching us every time we're wearing blaze orange or we got a dog box in the back of the truck, we're taking a gun out of a case. Be on your best behavior and then have a good time. If you're out there looking for protein, just go to the Safeway and buy filet mignon. A lot cheaper. All right. So we got a dog. We know how to motivate our dog now, right? Sometimes it's a flip chart. We're out in the field, or we're training, one or the other. How do we know when that dog is getting birdie? When that dog is starting to get excited because there might be a bird nearby? What's your dog do? Don't know? Your lab does what that dog does.
Oh, wait a minute.
labs I've met, the tail goes like this. Most of the stringers I've met, it was like this. He looks like somebody hooked him in the nose with a fish hook and is pulling him toward the bird. Now his uncle would put his head down, too much hound in that breed, and would just follow that ground scent.